we're learning local hospitals are seeing a rise in COVID-19 cases, with the number of patients at some facilities doubling in the past 2 weeks. We also now know the highly contagious Delta variant is also here, but so far not in large numbers. The health department saying there's been more than one Delta case reported in Jacksonville, and officials will release more information this week. News4JAX reporter Jim Piggott was out talking to people today about vaccines, masks, and the new variant. And Jimmy, you also talked to local health officials.
You know, and there is a concern, as you had mentioned, because what they're seeing is that increase in the past 2 weeks. These numbers have been going up. And now with the Delta variant here in town, that's another concern for them. Plus, we have the 4th of July holiday coming up. What used to be a common sight in Jacksonville is now rare. People wearing a mask. At this downtown lunch spot, we caught up with Marla Amagon, who had been vaccinated but is not taking any chances and continues to wear her mask. Why are you still wearing your mask?
Because it's crowd, or I'm passing by a crowded area.
Are you surprised more people aren't wearing masks?
No, I'm not. I think they're following the CDC rules.
Chad Nielsen of UF Health says even with that recommendation, we have to be careful, particularly in Jacksonville.
We know that roughly 50% or less of Floridians are vaccinated. So when you walk into your grocery store and nobody has a mask on, statistically, that just doesn't make sense.
Not only is he seeing that on the streets, but in the hospitals as well. Nielsen says at UF Health, they currently have 34 COVID patients. Of that, 18 are in ICU, and there are 20 other suspected cases. At the Baptist Health System, they have 80 cases.
Our biggest concern is that our COVID hospitalized cases are increasing, and they have been now for about 2 weeks.
The state's no longer releasing daily statistics on cases and vaccinations. We now get those once a week. On June 1st, the percentage of people testing positive for COVID in Duval County out of those tested was under 4%. Last week, that was up to nearly 7%. As we head into the 4th of July weekend, local health officials expect a bump in cases. It may not be as bad since most of the celebrations will be outside, but there is the Delta variant to worry about.
We know that the Delta variant is swiftly spreading throughout the United States, and I'm sure here in Jacksonville as well. And as we continue to have relatively low vaccination numbers across the region in the state, it makes those people more susceptible to getting this Delta variant.
And that's why some who've had the shot and continue to wear masks are urging others to do so. And we're keeping an eye on that Delta variant. The health department says they will inform us probably on Friday what we are seeing here in Jacksonville. And remember, there are a number of vaccination sites still open here in Jacksonville, not the huge sites, but we have all of that for you on our webpage at news4jax.com. For now, we're live on the South Bank. Jim Piggott, Channel 4, the local station.